Here is intelligent cycling app, so you can just tap Gets to install it. And then here is top quality workouts, GPS roadmap for your ride. We track your progress. Stay motivated with workout summary, open goal functionality. Pretty cool app. 50,000 plus rides from experts like Kaiser, Body Bike, and more. Find your perfect workout with user-friendly search filters. Stay on track with workout player, offering real-time guidance in color, heart rate, or power. Seamlessly connect your Bluetooth devices for in-app training tracking. Build your fitness community, like, follow, and share your favorite creator workouts. Unleash your creativity with Open Goal. Best of all, our app is completely ad-free and without paywalls. And then you can just sign up free and then start. Then after creating an account, you select are you instructor or not, and then you can just select in here. Then you can just add all of your details in here. You select year of birth. Oh, it's a very interesting fast drop down. Just as an example. And then you have it here. Then you have search. You can search for some workouts. Like, for example, we have here. You can follow. You can see it in the camps. And then basically you can just so now here you have it. This is just some guidance. And you can connect your Spotify, listen to some specific music from their playlist, and start the workout as like that. So then basically in this app, you can just go and follow the workout and training with that. So, this is just for you to have a nice cycling workouts, different difficulties and different coaches. So yeah,